In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new branch on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with version control, managing branches effectively is a crucial skill for collaborating on projects and keeping your code organized. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily create a new branch on GitHub within just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to your web browser and head to GitHub's website. If you're not already signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials, making sure you've got everything correct, and sign in. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on your GitHub dashboard. This is your command center for all things GitHub, showing your repositories, updates, and more. Now that we're in the dashboard, let's go to the specific repository where you intend to create a new branch. Navigate through your repositories, which you can find under the Your Repositories section. Click on the one that you want to work on. Once you're viewing your chosen repository, you'll want to locate the Branches tab. This is typically positioned near the top of the repository page. Clicking on this tab will show you all the existing branches in the repository, and it's where you can manage and add new branches. In the Branches section, there's an option to create a new branch. Look for the New Branch button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this button will bring up a prompt or a new input area where you will need to enter a name for your new branch. It's important to choose a meaningful name that reflects the purpose of the branch. This could be something like feature update, bug fix, or another relevant name that makes sense for the tasks you're planning to tackle on this new branch. After you've entered the name for your new branch, the next step is straightforward. Simply hit the Create New Branch button to finalize the process. GitHub will then take you to the new branch and you can start committing changes specifically to this branch without affecting others. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new branch on GitHub. This is tremendously useful for when you're working on features or fixes independently of the main code base. Branches help keep your workflow organized, and now you can easily switch between them as needed. Keep practicing with creating and managing branches, and you'll find your development process becoming much more streamlined. Be sure to explore further features and options within GitHub to fully leverage the power of its branching and collaborative tools. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.